Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're in my bathroom because we're just gonna do a little get ready with me. I'm trying all new products. It's like a first impressions kind of video, I guess. I've never really done one of those, but whatever. This is hyaluronic acid. I did my skincare right before I came in here, and I squirted it. I hope it doesn't stain. I think it's gonna stain though, which is kind of a bummer, but whatever. So I did do my skincare as usual, and that in the daytime is vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, a little bit of sunscreen, and then just a moisturizer. I'm using the Rustic Maka. It's like a oily, if you have really dry skin, it's great. Do you see this? This is this is from the people that lived here before me. The guy was he did home improvement on his own. He was a locksmith. And this is like a fishing themed. I don't fish. I haven't fished in 15 years. Light switch. There's only one switch. It's a dual switch though. So the one time my mother-in-law was here, she's like, let's switch that out, because we had painted the house downstairs and we had just done all the light switches. So we tried to get it off. It's epoxied. It is literally epoxied to the wall. We can't get it. It's going to be here when I leave. It really will. Anyway, so I have a ton of new stuff. I am ready to go. In here this is from a company called Defy Inspire. They're, see that my nails, aren't they beautiful? I got really excited. Their lipsticks and their nail polishes match. So this is their Latte Latte, so the lipstick and the nail match. And there's two other sets in here. That's the one that I like the most though. So there's this color here, which is like more of a metallic. And then there's this like pinky, what's this one called? Sky's the limit. So, ooh, yes. So we'll try those. I got all that stuff from the Jeffree Star mystery box. I've got the new stuff from BoxyCharm. I've got the Beauty Bakerie stuff. And you guys were like, try the mascara. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, so let's just do it. The only thing is, I don't know how to pause this new camera. So I have to learn how to do that. I think that's how. I don't know how. How do I pause? I don't think I can. I'm not sure. Huh. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Because I don't like to do like certain things in front of you guys. It feels very awkward. So anyway, we're just gonna start. I have my headband in. My priming, so I'll use this. My nose is now all of a sudden running. Why are you doing that to me? We'll use this. I'm actually really excited because this seemed so amazing when I tried it out. It was just very blurring. It has like a very dimethicone-y, you know, feeling to it. Tack, I guess, is the right word. Is that the right word? I don't even know. There's a hair on my hand. Yuck. So there's the. Why does it all of a sudden look so red? I don't know. I guess because there. Oh, I'm still learning my new camera, my new phone, my new camera. That's what I use it for. My phone is a camera. So there's that. And then I will do, today I'm just going to do concealer because I really don't feel like doing like full face, you know. So I'm going to use the NYX, where is it? Oh my gosh, my nose. Why does this happen? Like, why do you start doing your makeup? Anybody else have that problem and your nose is like, okay, I'm going to run now. Like, really? Okay. So this is just the NYX HD Studio Photogenic blah, 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 concealer in CW05. All right. Don't slam my technique, okay? I have a weird technique for doing this, and it works. I do it really quick. So behind us is my medicine cabinet. So I have a bigger mirror, and that way I can kind of see better because I got bad eyes. Y'all know that though. All right. So what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? I'm hoping this video's up by then. It might not be. Okay. All right. I'm not doing anything. I already got my husband, I got his gift, which is kind of a joke because he had said to me one day, he's like, I really want one of those really tall pots that you cook soup or whatever in. Or like a stock pot, okay? And I was like, that's your next gift, that's what you're getting. And he started to laugh, and I said, that's what you want, that's what you're getting. So, that's what Nobody's kidding. So that's funny to me. That's really funny to me, actually. I don't know if I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Regina George as its own blush, or I'm going to use it as a blush topper. I think I'm going to use it as its own blush first and see what that looks like. And then go ahead and, if it's not like, if it's a little too sheer, because it's kind of sheer, but I think that might actually be really nice. Then go in and do the, what was I talking? All right, so we'll do that. I'm actually gonna, I don't use setting powder. If you have really dry skin, I don't use any, I really don't use many powders on my face, just like highlighter, blush, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go in and bronze first. I'm gonna use this, this is that Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette. This is really phenomenal. The colors were just beautiful. So by the way, I should always say in these videos, I'm not like a makeup artist or anything. Like, I'm just a girl at home playing with makeup, you know? So these are all the, dang you, you little stinker. These are all the colors. I think I'm gonna go in with that matte one right here, just cause it's matte, you know? Keep it simple. Keep it simple, right? I use one of these oval brushes and then I just, that's all blondes. Oh, okay. That might have been too much. It might not have been enough. You never know, right? And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. This for me works because I don't want anything that looks too sharp or harsh. So you're basically using what's left of your concealer or foundation or whatever, and kind of like buffing it all together. Not buffing, but blending it all together. So that's pretty, right? Like, it's like a simple, just what on an average day what somebody would wear. Here's that. Fell. You can't see that. Okay. All right. All right, let's find this Regina George color in here. I think to make these videos, I have to stop the video. I'm thinking in my head, I'm sorry. And then just trim the two together. I can do that now because I can do that with iMovie. How cool is that? All right, moving up in the world, guys. So here it is. Oh, I can't mess up my nails. And I'm gonna go in with, I love these pans, they're just so pretty. I'd have my husband open this a couple times. I'm like, can you open this? Just, oh, come on, girl. Oh, girl. Don't do this to me. Watch him break my nail. I think I'm gonna have to pause the video. That seriously took me so much longer than I should have. I don't know what I was doing there. All right, anyway, woo, I'm gonna go in with this brush. I don't know what it is, where it came from. I don't remember now. Oh, it's a crown brush. I actually really like this brush. Where did I get it? I don't remember. All right, so I'm gonna just be really, really careful. Ooh, ooh, that's pretty. It's just simple, like a nice little wash of color. I really like that. I love this. I think it's so pretty and unique because at first when you see it, you're like, that's just outrageous. Like that color, I won't be using that. And then you like look at it and you swatch it and you're like, it's gorgeous. It's just really pretty. Okay, that's done. Highlight. I have a new highlighter from my BoxyCharm. It's that one from Pretty Vulgar. So pretty. I'll be honest, in the video, I was not really into it. I kind of saw it and I was like, I swatched it and I was like, it doesn't look like anything. And those bright lights, it was really, look at my finger how red it is from that thing. I'm trying to open it. And I just wasn't into it. So, but then I looked at it in natural light and I was like, oh, this is pretty. It does have some, like, you know, dust. It's a little dusty, but I don't really mind that at all. I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me, literally. Not a thing I care. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. I prefer a fan brush. I don't know why, I do. All right. Now set it. I don't have any new setting spray or anything, so we're just gonna use our same old, the NYX Wet n Wild Photo Focus. All right. What do I want to do next? I want to do my eyebrows. That means I'm going to turn this off because I don't like doing this on camera. I feel like a nerd. And I have to get really close and you won't see me anyway. All right, so I'll be right back. So for eyeshadow, you guys know I don't ever go heavy on that. I just do always really natural. And to be honest, a lot of times I will take one color and just like a really natural, like this or this here. This is from the Body Shop. This is their Down to Earth palette. I don't know if they still make this. It's really old. Well, like a year or two. I'm just gonna take it with my finger. I know this is really, I am just a pro, you know? And I just put it all over my lid. And that's it. Like, I wear glasses. I don't like having a whole lot of eye makeup on because I feel like I don't know, I just don't feel right. You know, and that's what makeup is about, feeling right in what you're wearing and not like doing stuff because everybody else does it. So that's it for my eye makeup, except for mascara, which I am going to use the Too Faced, this new one. You guys are telling me this is amazing. The packaging is beautiful. I did though look somewhere, the wand, look at that wand. That's interesting. And sorry, I'm gonna go a little closer to my mirror. And people were like, it's trash. That mascara stinks and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh no. But a couple of you guys said it's your holy grail. And I'm like, I don't know, I trust you guys a little more. I think some people online get like really into trashing a product. Like, I was using this Smashbox X-rated. I was using this Smashbox X-rated. Good grief, Ashley. That's something I do. All right. Good golly. All right. And I'm going to pause this probably. Maybe I can fix it, you know? It looks like I have liner on. And that's another thing I don't use. I don't even think about it. I don't use eyeliner because my eyes are so small. Oh, did I get it on my lid too? No, I didn't. Oh, that's good. That worked out well. So I'm all over the place talking. I don't use eyeliner because I just feel like it makes my eyes. Now I know I can just do the top and it will open my eyes up, but I have trouble doing it because I can't see. So I'm just going to be honest about that. And I do have a lip liner in here somewhere. I did at least. What's this? No. Oh, Ashley. I should have put I forgot brightener. Oh, I don't have a lip liner. Well, we're gonna go without one then today. We're just gonna try the lipsticks without a liner. They'll probably come back to bite me, but that's okay. I want the things a latte. That's one I want. So I don't know if I have thoughts on that primer. It looks pretty, but so does a lot of other ones I've used. But what was I gonna say? Oh, I was telling you that, what was I? Oh, the mascara. I was using the Smashbox X-rated mascara, and I did not like it. But I'm like, I commit to a product. I'm like, I'm gonna use it for a while and see. And then I don't like that mascara. And that was one that Ipsy used to send out like all of the time. It was just something they fell back on. So here it is. Look, so beauteous. And I wore my shirt to match. Ooh, look, it dried. The hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. All right. Huh. It's very subtle. Should we put on a Jeffree Star just for fun too? This is pretty, but I kind of want to try one of those out as well. There's this one. There's the watermelon soda. I think it's this one. We could try that, right? Let's do it. And it smells like watermelon. My daughter thought that was awesome. All right, so this is gonna be the end of the look. I really like the applicator on this because it has this angle. You see that like, I love that because it's perfect for getting right around the edge. I can hear my kids down there yelling about Paw Patrol. Oh, also it's a snow day here. I didn't mention that. So everybody's home. It's been like, oh, nice, fun family day. Oh, okay. It smells like watermelon. It's so nice. I feel like now my eyes need more color. This lip is so bright, but I also feel like, oh, it's so pretty. It's like so striking. I really love this. I think it's so nice. And I think too with that lipstick underneath, it gives it more of a moisturizing, because that lipstick is really moisturizing. So this makes it look more moisturized than a liquid lip that can be a little drying and whatnot. So that is it. I just take my, and there it is. There's the whole look for me. I'm not going anywhere today. It's icing outside. It's literally like freezing rain. We are gonna have like probably no school tomorrow, or at the very least a delay, which can be so frustrating. But anyway, it's fun. It's just a fun thing. It reminds me of being a kid. So that is the completed look. I feel so stupid even saying that. It's just whatever. There's my makeup for the day. Thanks for hanging out and chatting with me. If you like these videos, let me know. I also have this Clairol. This looks like a weird product. Clairol Root Touch Up. Lasts 10 plus shampoos and blends away the gray. If you watched that PR unboxing, I unboxed this and it looks weird, and I kind of want to try it out and see what it's like. So if you want me to review that, we could do that. Just let me know. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.